Xbox.
If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, remove screws from bottom base and underneath the badge door. Then remove bottom base. Next, unplug battery cable. Now unscrew and remove hard drive bracket. Then unplug and remove the hard drive. Now remove connector cable and isolation caddy from hard drive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.